A magnitude 2.7 earthquake occurred. Yellowstone Nat. Park, Wyoming. 248 kilometers SW of Billings, United States, or 62 kilometers NNE of Driggs, United States. On Thursday, the 10th of July 2025, at 22 hours 38 minutes and 28 seconds local time, the quake had a depth of 3 kilometers and was not felt, or at least not reported so. Data source from EMSC. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.